Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the another video. I was getting a lot of questions regarding the battery life. People are complaining battery life on the iOS 18, although I don't have any problem at all. In my couple of previous videos, I talk about that iOS 18 is pretty much a stable update. It brings amazing performance and amazing battery life. Now many people are still facing battery issues, so I thought why not make a video in which I will talk about the battery settings that you can apply. I am also going to talk about some of the tips and tricks that you can apply to improve the performance of your iPhone battery. But before that, I want to show you the battery stats so you can have the better idea. It is always better to share the battery stats. Now going into the over here, as you can see over here, I used my phone for around 100% after a very long time, and I got a screen on time, which is amazing. Also, here is home and lock screen, 2 hours and 9 minutes. If I deduct this from here, still I'm getting more than 7 hours of screen on time, which is amazing. And this means that you can also get this much amazing screen on time, but what you need to do is you need to follow some steps that can enhance your battery life. Now let's begin and let's talk about the battery life. Now very first thing is that try to keep your phone between 20 to 80% in terms of battery. For now my phone is around 79%, as you can see. You can try to keep it around 79. You can try to keep it around 20 to 80%, and even if it goes up from 80%, it is okay, it's not a big of a deal. But if it goes below 20%, that is where it is going to cause problems, and that may going to affect your battery health. So try to keep it above 20%. Sometimes if you go below 20%, that is fine, but if you're regularly going below 20% and consuming a lot of battery and putting it on charge very late, it can definitely affect your battery health, battery life, and it is completely going to ruin your battery. So it is always better to consider to keep your phone not below 20%. So follow this step to improve the battery life. Now here are some of the settings that you can turn off to improve the battery life. So go into the settings, find privacy and security over here. As you can see, go over here, go to the location services, go all the way down into the system services. Now customize the system services according to your choice. You don't need to turn on everything. As you can see, these are turned off. Here are a couple of turn off, so you don't need to turn on everything. For example, I don't use HomeKit at all, but I use Find My iPhone, so it is turned on, it is turned off. So you can customize it according to your choice. Going back over here, here are some applications available that might be using your location. For example, I don't use compass at all, so it is set to never. I do use Domino's, so it is while using the application. I don't use Daraz application much, so it is to never. This way you can customize the settings of your location. If you keep them on default, they will be using in the background, that will be consuming a lot of your battery life. So you can customize these location for different applications according to your choice. Now going back over here, going to the tracking option, as you can see, tracking for every other application is turned off. You don't need to turn these settings on, just keep them off. It is also going to help you a lot with your battery life. Going back over here, go all the way down in the analytics and improvements. Going over here, turn these all settings off. You don't need to make them on, they are not doing anything. For example, if I turn this off, it will be sharing your device situation with the Apple servers, that will be consuming battery in the background, although you don't utilize these features at all. So you don't need to play your role in improving the battery life. You need to focus on your device. So for that, you need to turn off these settings. Going back, going to the Apple advertising, over here you can also turn this setting off. Now these are some of the settings that you can make and improve the battery life of your iPhone. There is another trip. There is there is another tip. Try to use original iPhone charger and original data cable to charge your device. Always prefer to use original products than the copied one. You can also use from some popular brands if you want to, for example, Anchor or something, but never go with the cheaper copy products option that will also ruin your iPhone battery life. Well, these are some of the things that you can apply on iOS 18 and improve the battery life. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.